Assalamualaikum, welcome back my friends in this my new tutorial video. In this video we are going to discuss about the blocks and programming blocks in our S71200 in our TI portal. So first of all, if my TI portal is open, so you can see here are our blocks. So first of all we are discussing that program blocks. In program blocks we are use only program blocks and which is a main OB there. In this main OB we are make a program there, and there are many programming blocks we discuss later in this video. So the second is technology block, because in technology block the when we use any command, any logic like comparator, counter, the counter and its programming save is its technology block. So technology objects is going to there, and external source files we add only external source files. There PLC tags, here are we discuss all the tags inserts in the PLC tags. There we when we create a tag, so tag there first of all I'm just create a tag. You can see start, and I'm just make it so you can see it is a bool. I'm just selected a memory. First of all I'm 0.02 as a memory. Stop, so you can see stop is there, and 0.1, and like a motor, so we select motor as a output because it is a tag of output module. So you can see my technology blocks is there, tag is there. And the next you can see PLC data tags is there, wash table. You can force or your tags from there to there. In programming we are discussing that later. In the local module you can see the modules existing and existing place with your PLC are added there, so you can configure it from there. And the device configuration, you can configure your device from there. Online diagnostic, if you want to diagnose your PLC, so you diagnose it from there, make connections with any problems you are facing with your PLC. So I'm going to discuss our program blocks. So program blocks, you can see there are many blocks. The data blocks includes the data in which we are creates only tag data and is received and used as in our function called block or organization block. So there are, you can see function called in this in function called we use multiple language. You can see FBD, SCSCL. In this in function code we use as a function as an organization block, and call as main function called as a function organization block. In functional block, the functional blocks also use multiple language, but in functional block we use as a tag, as if you want to insert a tag, and as a FBD language or any other language you want to use. So we use a function block. You can see organization block. Organization blocks have many types. If you run any servo, any motor, your time delays, hardware interrupts in your PLC, cyclic interrupt, ERP like PID programming, time delay interrupt mean your timeline is delayed, enough programming, startup interrupt, programming cycles. So I am just showing you on our website. Every programming block has a different reason. So organization block type has a different reason. So you can see from there. You can see as the organization block OB1. OB1 used only for cyclic program processing. OB100 you can search it as a startup. OB20 time delay interrupt. So our time delay interrupt there is an OB20, OB1, OB100. So that's our organization block function. So I'm not using any programming block. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and click the bell icons and make comments. I am also write descriptions of other tutorials like SCADA or other software in our description, so you can directly link from there, receive a link from there. Thank you very much again.